How to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have ever accidentally deleted important email from your Gmail account, don't panic. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps to recover those emails using a method provided by Google. First thing first, it is important to note that while there is a method to recover deleted emails, it is not guaranteed to work every time. Once emails are permanently deleted from Google servers, they are gone for good. But it's definitely worth giving this method a try. So let's dive right in. First, we need to start by opening your Gmail app over here. Once you're in the Gmail app, you can see the three lines located at the top left corner of your screen. Simply tap on that. From here, you need to scroll down and then you need to tap on trash option. Check the trash folder from the left hand side menu to see if your missing emails are ended up here. If you don't find them in the trash, we need to head over to the Google. So simply go to your Google app over here. Once you're in the Google app, in the search bar, you need to type your Gmail messages are missing and then hit search. Once you have done that, you need to click on this Google help that is saying Gmail messages are missing. So simply tap on that. Now, once you are here, you need to select your device, whether it's Android, computer, iPhone, or iPad. I'll simply select iPhone or iPad over here. Then you need to scroll down until you see most of my emails are missing option. Simply tap on that. Then you can see that we can help find your missing emails and secure your account option over here. Simply tap on that. You'll be prompted over here. Then you need to simply tap on continue. From here, you need to again tap on continue. If you see this message saying, unfortunately, your missing emails are permanently deleted and we can't get them back, it means that the emails are gone for good. However, if there is a chance to recover them, the tool will provide further instructions. Give this method a shot and let us know in the comment if it helped you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.